Alright, so I'm trying to do this in like steps because I'm not a photographer, I'm not a film guy, but so I took the side cover off, okay, this right here. That bottom screw is hard to get to, so I use a Torx 25, this little bad boy, and a 1/4-inch wrench, get it out, piece of cake. But now we're going to get to piston cup. Connecting rod is good, it's good. So here's what you have to do. You have to do this. It's 5/32. I have a nice 5/32. You could use a socket, whatever, it doesn't matter. However, I'm not taking it completely apart, but we're going to use heat to remove that screw. So we're going to heat it, and it's going to ruin the piston cup, don't matter. So we're going to heat it, and don't get me wrong, if you have gas spilled everywhere, don't do this, please. You want to heat it up because these screws have a Teflon coating on there, and you're just heating up the Teflon coating, which is okay. So when that's done, you just unscrew it. This might need a little bit more heat. It doesn't matter how much heat you put on there. Actually, to be honest with you, I'm not going to lie. This is what I do. Where is it at? Where are you at? This is what I do. Where are you at? Alright, hang on. I'm looking for my ratchet, but I have plenty. I use a ratchet, okay? So, it's easier with a ratchet than that damn thing. So, we'll ratchet it off. We won't touch it because it's really hot, which is okay. So watch this. Needle nose. Come on, baby. That baby's hot. There you go. See? And we'll put this over on the bench. And what we're going to do is go back for the other one. We're going to do that. There we go. I would say a minute, well, 30, 45 seconds maybe. I don't know. I really don't time it. You want to get it hot to get that coating done. And again, that piston cup, it's garbage. Don't worry about it. Done. You're not, look, it's glowing. You're never using that again. But you know what? That's okay, because you go diving and you have a problem, this isn't going to help you. See, and the hotter you get it, the more it just comes out real easy. It's a piece of cake, man. And what I normally do is, again, don't touch it. Do not touch. Get this out. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to bring that over to the bench for a second. And show you. There we go. The piston cup is garbage, but this is hot, and I'm going to clean that. And I'm going to blow that out. But we're going to the sink. And alright, so we have, this is a piston cup retainer. Now that's hot. We're not going to touch that either. However, we're just going to maybe clean it up a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Is that nice or what? Alright, right now I'm going to stop. I'm going to clean this in the wire wheel. Well, I'll do it right now. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, make it look nice. Now the Airline brags about all this stuff being, coated for whatever. It's powder coat. And this does come off. So if you're working on yours and you're chipping, just wire wheel it, because they claim the filter, the screen filter, collects everything. That's not true. It does not collect everything. So, and whatever it doesn't collect goes in your lungs. So make sure when you clean the piston cup, your piston cup retainer, your valve plate, and your head which this looks really good, but make sure you clean everything good, because what gets through the filter is in your lungs. So, alright, so let me stop now and we'll go to the next one. Okay.